Hello everyone. In the last session, we learned about how to add different animations and transitions in MS PowerPoint so that they can come and they can be used as a digital story. Today we will learn how to add different animations and transitions with respect to their perfect timing so that they can come whenever we want or whenever we want them to appear or to go. So let's start. For this, I have already created one MS PowerPoint, and here as you can see that I have already saved one image of computer. So just for your reference, I have downloaded this image from Google, and I'll just crop it so that it will look nice. I'm clicking on format and I will click on crop so that this computer will look like okay. So this is how my computer is looking like. Now what I want my storyline, what I want to create my storyline here is that my computer is introducing itself that hello, I am a computer. So since I have already pasted this the computer's image, so what I will do, I will write a dialogue which is this computer is using to introduce itself. That means hello, I am a computer. So what I will do, I have two options, whether I can insert a text box or whether I can insert these different shapes. These both options are available at the insert tab. Whenever you will click on insert, you will have these options. So just to make it creative, I am clicking on different shapes, and since it is a dialogue which this computer is particularly using, so I will be using a particular dialogue sort of image. This is how a particular dialogue looks like whenever we read, whenever we go through any particular comic book. So also I will use the same thing. Since I want this dialogue to be in sync with computer, means this computer is saying this particular dialogue. So definitely the presentation should be like that. This computer is saying this particular dialogue. So as I'm repeating it, what I have done, this is the orange circle. With the help of this orange circle, whenever you will move across this particular circle, this particular triangle will come, and with the help of this triangle you can move this particular animation anywhere there you want, wherever you want. So since this is the dialogue which is this computer is using, I can tilt it here like this. So I'm writing here, hello, I am a computer. I'm sorry for the spelling mistake. Hello, I'm a computer. Just to edit, I want this particular bubble to look like this, and since my text was in white color, so I can't see it, and I will select the black color from text fill so that it will appear. I can also change its font size. Here it goes like this, and here it is. Now this is the complete scene that I wanted to create, that my computer is say introducing itself that hello, I'm a computer. So as previously we have already discussed that how to add animations. So as of now I will add some of the animations separately to this particular bubble and also to this particular computer. So what I'll do, again I'll go to animations as we did it last section, click on add animation. Then as we discussed, we have number of options, also number of entrance, emphasis, exit and motion effect. So I want my computer to come from somewhere and to introduce, so this is why I will click on more entrance effect. From these options I have number of options. So how my computer should come, should has its own entry. So for example, if I go with fly in, so this is how my computer will come. So I am selecting this as of now. So fly in is my animation that I'm using for this computer. Now, and suppose, and also what I want, first my computer should come and then this bubble should come so that it should have a perfect sync. So again I will also add one animation here. Again I have clicked on this particular bubble. I will click on add animation, and for this also I want it to come from somewhere. Then again I'll click on effect, and for it let's say that I'll choose spinner. This is how it will look like. I'm choosing it again. When I'll click on OK, this is how it will look like. Now, since I have added two different animations to two different objects, this is why we have two different numbers, number 1 and number 2. These numbers, they show that the animations are added in these particular order. Number 1 shows that the first animation goes with this particular computer and the second animation goes with this particular bubble. So as of now, let's check it. How will it come? So I'm saving it and keeping it on slideshow. This is how will it come. This was my first slide because it was blank. Second slide, as soon as I will click, the first computer will come. This is how I wanted my computer to come. And in second go, I wanted this bubble to come. Now, since I have added two different animations on on my mouse click, once this particular computer is coming, and on the second go, this particular bubble is coming. Now what I want, then that when this particular dialog is coming, as this computer is speaking, so it should move, it should it should get shake, it should shake when this particular bubble is coming. So again I have to add one more animation to it. Again I will select it, will go to animation, add animation. Now here I will go to more emphasis effects. Emphasis effects, they based on like if something is already there, so how you have to give the emphasis. I'll click on emphasis and here it is stutter. This is how it will move and it will look like that it is shaking. But what is my requirement is, my requirement is that this teetering, this shaking of computer should go along with this particular bubble. So as you can see here now, this teetering has the third number. What I want this to come along with this. So what I'll do, since this particular number is highlighted, so whatever I am doing, it will be applicable to this. I want this particular teetering to come along with the previous one. So here we have option reorder animation. I will what I'll do here, okay, let me tell you one thing. Reorder animation, we can reorder like whenever I will click, I will let me just demonstrate it. If I'll click on move earlier, so this how it will get 2 and it will be 3. If I'll select move later, then again it will be 3. This is how we can reorder animation. Now what I wanted, this teetering should come along with this. That means it should also be 2. Then I have to click on start. Here there are different options, with previous or after previous. For 3, the previous thing is 2. So I will click on with previous. As soon as I will click on with previous, this number has changed. So it is showing that one animation is added to this and there are two animations at the same order for these two different animation. So let's check it again. This was my first single click. I clicked once, my computer came, and on the second click, the bubble and the teetering should go along. Let's check. See, this is how my computer shaked as well as the bubble came. I'm showing it again. Let me delete it for your ready reference. I'm keeping it on slideshow again. One single click, computer came. Then on second click, both the animations will come along. So this is how we can we can modify the animations and we can we can sync, we can have a synchronization in different animations that we are using. We can also change the duration and delay, for what interval of time do we want this particular animation to come along with this particular objects. That's all. So I hope you will be making a good digital story by using all these animation steps for making a very creative one. All the best. Go on. Thank you.